Hi, welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and your creativity begins. Today, my daughter and I are going to draw a giraffe. Say hello.
Hello.
She's waving.
Weird wave.
Okay. All right. So we're going to draw a cute baby giraffe.
Maybe.
It might come out demented, so we'll see. All right. So first we're going to start with the head. And it's going to be a big oval shape. And we're towards the top of our paper. Okay, next up is the ears, and they're big and they're kind of like a leaf shape, like leaves. And then they have like a 3D part underneath.
Mine's gonna be super tiny because it's gonna be a baby. That good?
Sure. And then they have like these weird little horns. I guess they're called horns. We gotta look up what those are called.
Antennas?
It's not antennas, they're not a bug. And then we're drawing the giraffe antennas.
I didn't know a giraffe was a bug.
They're just kind of round shapes on top of these little pillars. And then I'm gonna draw the face, and I'm gonna make it like a square, like a rounded square. Rounded rectangle, actually. Whole ears is looking that way.
I don't care.
Okay, so now the body, so it's gonna be the neck.
The baby neck.
And it's a giraffe, so it's gonna have a neck for sure. And then it comes down into the shoulders. And it's kind of that A shape that we did like with our lion. Like if there was an imaginary A here, it's that A shape. And it comes down into the hoof. And the tummy is like right here. And then it comes down into the hoof. So these corners, it's kind of hooked in. Bug, it's hooked in and rounded off. So then this kind of comes in and rounds off, and this kind of comes in and rounds off. So it's fat, and then it gets skinny right here, and then it gets fat again for the hoof. I'm gonna fix my shoulder because it looks like it doesn't really have one.
Mines don't have shoulders.
I'm drawing way darker than I normally do. Usually it's draw light till you know what's right, but I'm trying to draw dark enough that our friends at the school can see what we're doing. Okay, shoulders. All right, so there's the front part of the body. Then the back part of the body is gonna come out like this and down, out, down, and it's gonna curve, and then it's gonna have a similar shaped leg like that. So you went that way with yours. The back leg needs to be just a touch shorter. And then we've got a leg on the inside that you can just barely see right here. So it has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And so it looks adorable.
4. Okay, and then its little giraffe tail. It's kind of fuzzy like the lion's tail. Then I'm gonna put my hooves on, which is gonna be like a half circle, like a curved circle for my hooves. Straighten them out just a touch. Polish them up so they look more giraffe-like. Erase this platform for the A that I drew. I'm gonna give it a bit of a tummy. A little tummy. It's gonna be different colored.
It's gonna be like a little light tan thingy.
Maybe. No one can see your face. Keep going. And then we're gonna move up here to the face. And we're gonna give him little nostrils. They're gonna be little sideways ovals.
Mine looks like an old lady.
Yours looks like an old lady.
Yeah, because like there's lines right here. I like that.
You're supposed to be drawing a baby giraffe, not a grandma. Okay, and so then our little eyes are gonna go right here.
I'm gonna give it a smile.
Who said I wasn't gonna give mine a smile?
You.
I didn't say nothing about not giving it a smile.
Just kidding. Cute.
Okay, nostrils. Eyes. I'll give it eyebrows. Touche, pussycat. Touche.
Where did you learn that from?
It's from Tom and Jerry.
Here, look at my eyes.
The little gray mouse.
My eyes are different than the lion.
Pussycat. Touche. Okay. Okay. Way over there though. Okay. So then, now we're gonna spot it up.
If you want to. Just kidding.
Well, it's a giraffe. It kind of needs spots. Otherwise, it doesn't look like a giraffe. And a little bit.
It's like a cow.
Kinda.
Mine looks like a cow. Right?
Does yours look like a cow?
Yes, it looks like a cow. I put an 8 on his cheek.
Interesting.
We're learning math in year 2.
You're learning your numbers?
Yes, we're learning our numbers.
Somebody's dog is barking.
Super loud.
Yeah, that like never happens. Whose dog is that?
I know. It's our neighbor's dog.
They don't have dogs though. The ones on that side?
The one across from us.
Oh,
They have a dog. Because I saw him walking it.
I see.
So it was a German Shepherd.
I see.
I want to have a German Shepherd when I grow up.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
You're gonna be a shepherd with a shepherd?
Yeah, that sounds great, Mommy. A shepherd with a shepherd.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to put spots on the top of its ears. Okay, and then this side is the underside, so this part's like fuzzy. So I'm gonna make
I don't want
it
to do it like
fuzzy.
it kind of looks like a fox. Fuzzy fox. Like in...
Don't hate, appreciate.
I didn't say I hated it.
Mm-hmm.
I said it looks like a fox. If
Mm-hmm.
Mine would.
Mm-hmm.
Mine looks like a cow right now. Look, it looks like a cow.
Yeah. Okay.
Because of the square mouth and the spots.
But it has a long neck. It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf, not just a waff. A dwarf.
It's a dwarf.
A dwarf.
Yeah, it's a dwarf.
Like a watermelon. It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf.
Dwarf.
A dwarf.
The watermelons. With the watermelons.
It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf.
It's a dwarf.
Dwarf.
Yay, dwarf.
Dwarf. Dwarf. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyes really quick. See if my pen still works. I used it with the crayons and then it wanted to die.
Whoa, now the eyes look weird.
It got mad at
Not
me.
weird. It looks pretty. It looks like they're about to close. Like.
It got so mad at me, my poor pen. I was like, you used me with crayons. How dare you? It was so mad at me.
Look at mine. Look at my eye.
I was so mad it almost quit working. Interesting. Oh, you put eyelashes? Eyelashes. Eyelashes there. Eyelashes. Now it's a girl.
It's a girl. It's a girl, girl, girl.
Not that boys don't have eyelashes, but...
Boys have small eyelashes. Just kidding.
Actually, your brother has bigger eyelashes than all of us.
And Dad has the same.
Yeah. Daddy has big eyelashes too. They don't bat their eyelashes and cause a storm. Yeah.
Close them.
Blow people away.
No, just blink and then suddenly someone's like it's all like like
the heck? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. My eyelashes are so big.
I just batted my eyelashes and blow everybody across the way. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Every time you blink, like you just blow.
Those eyebrows on fleek though.
What?
I don't know. I just said those eyebrows on fleek though.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Just sounded like the thing to say. Okay.
No.
So there's our dwarfs. Not just giraffes, but dwarfs.
They're dwarfs because they
Dwarfs.
look like cows. So
Dwarfs.
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 Stop shaking it.
They're beautiful dwarfs. It's so beautiful.
All right, welcome back. So apparently we're gonna try to do the 3 marker challenge. Yeah. So my kid's making me blindfold myself and pick 3 markers. Let's see how this goes.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix it.
Hurry.
Okay,
Okay, now spin it really good.
I did.
No, spin it.
Okay. Okay. So.
Oh, I got 2 purples.
Yep.
Really?
Let's see how you can do with that stuff.
Orange? What is this?
It's tan. Like
Peach?
It's like
Beige?
beige.
Ugh.
Okay, my turn. Oh, here you go, Mom.
Oh, my lord. Okay, so there's my kid. All right, ready? Okay, and I'm spinning it, and I'm spinning it. It's gonna go off the table. I'm spinning it hard. Okay.
Got this.
1.
These 2.
Those 2.
At least they're not that bad. These are my favorite colors.
Yeah, that's funny.
It's like this.
All right, so now back to the coloring. So this is our finished 3 marker challenge. So vote down below on who you think won.
Mom did.
Purple giraffe if you think I did, or blue giraffe if you think my daughter did. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what other animals you would like us to draw next.